What does yen exactly mean? Let's get to know it. The pronunciation of this word is pronounced as yen. It has a short S sound like pen. It starts with a yes sound like yes. So the pronunciation is once again yen, yen. There are two meanings for this word. Number one, yen is the official currency of Japan. Number two, yen also means a strong desire or craving for something. Let's read some examples. Japan uses the yen as its national currency. This laptop costs 80,000 yen. Here, the word yen is used as a currency term. More examples. I have a yen for something sweet. He has a yen to travel abroad. She felt a yen for success. Here, the word yen means a strong desire for something or to do something. Common collocations: have a yen for something, have a yen to do something, a strong yen for success, a sudden yen for adventure. Synonyms for yen with the meaning of desire: craving, longing, urge, wish, desire. Note that yen is more formal and less common than these words. Now you know yen is not just money. It can also describe a strong feeling inside you. Please make 2 examples using this word and post them under this video. Thank you very much.